Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your resolution in PCSX2. So to do that, you go to the software. By default the resolution is set to PS2 native, which is very low res. But if you have a powerful system and you want to increase the resolution so that the game will be sharp and crisp, I will show you how to do that in this video. So you go to your settings, go to graphics. On the graphics tab, you go to rendering, internal resolution. You're going to see where it says native PS2 default. So this is the default one, which looks a little bit crappy, but if you have a good system you can actually upscale it if you want. So you can go to FHD, which is full HD 1080p, but if you want it to match with your screen resolution, you can just go to your display settings. As you can see right here, I have a 1080p screen, so I'm going to make it to match with my screen resolution. So we go back to the internal resolution and set it to 1080p, which is 3x. But if you have a 1440p monitor, you can choose 4x. If you have a 4K monitor, you can choose 6x. But for now, I'm going to go with the one that match with my screen resolution, which is 3x 1080p. So when you do that, you go back, it will save it automatically. And when you play your games will be very crisp. I'm going to show you a little bit of a demo in this video. So that's how you increase the resolution on your PS2 emulator. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.